They knew they wanted to start a family, and this was their first home, so they bought a fixer-upper, and that's exactly what we did. We fixed it up, keeping both of their styles and their lifestyle in mind. This house had several problems. It probably hadn't been updated in 50, 60, 70 years, I'd say. I don't know the exact date. It didn't function. There was a lot of little rooms. The initial kitchen was probably only about 3 feet by 6 feet. They just wanted something that was easy, bright, on trend, but not over the top, and basically just a space that made them feel comfortable. It actually began with the beautiful cabinet color, which is called Barren Plain by Benjamin Moore, which is sort of a grayish, taupey color, and the white oak. We just liked the idea of doing something that wasn't white and that wasn't a color. So to me, the idea of doing a light wood reads as a neutral, but it's a textured neutral. There's a lot of movement in it because it's a real product and it's not a spray finish. It's a little bit more organic. And then we knew that we also wanted to incorporate the beautiful island gable details of the exposed triangle. Inside one of them is everything for the dog. Inside the other one is everything for inside the bar. By using black hardware. Black definitely is on trend right now, but I don't think it's going anywhere, and I think it could be around forever. The same with the herringbone marble. Herringbone, again, has been around forever. I loved how it brought in the whites, the grays, the grayish, so it had all the right colors. The light just brought in all the right elements. It had black, it had a little bit of gold, which we incorporated in other areas of the house. And for me, because it was such a focal point, I loved how it had more of a chandelier feeling as opposed to 2 or 3 pendants. It also, because it is considered more of a ceiling mounted light, it really let your eye go all the way to the back of the house, keeping things open. We went back and forth a little bit on if the back of the house was going to be the family room or the back of the house was going to be the dining room. We decided to give it some flexibility, so it actually can be either, which I really like. So we have this sort of low TV area that houses all the TV equipment and some decorative objects, and their TV is above. But if they wanted the back of the house to be their dining area down the road, that could act as a buffet, and it would tie in very well with the kitchen. It is the same oak as the island, and then we used a gold mesh, and it just adds a little bit more texture and love to that area. They were really easy clients. They love this house. They spend a lot of time in the kitchen. They love entertaining, they love having a glass of wine, making dinner, and just hanging out back here.